This is my mother's industrial sewing machine. She can tell you more about it than I can, I think.
Well, it runs 3,500 RPMs, 3,000 stitches per minute. And right now I'm just making plastic accordion covers for my sister, who has a shop in New Hampshire.
I don't know if you can see it in the video or not, but she's working with 6mm thick vinyl like you get off the craft rack at Walmart. Showing the underworkings at the moment. I'm sure he'll be able to hear that.
Well, it may not be going as fast as it will go, but should be going pretty good speed.
Tell me if I'm in the way or not.
Pretty good rate of speed. No, you're all right.
Now that was what? That was 24 inches, right?
Yeah.
That one.
That was yeah, 24.
24 inches across the back. And this machine will sew through buckskins and shit like that too, right?
Yeah. Put it on the stuff. All done.